So I am in my greenhouse today recording for my gardening channel. And yes, the audio is horrible, but bear with me, I'll explain what's going on. So when I'm in here, the acoustics in here are horrible, as you can tell. And so I always have to I have a lapel mic with a wireless transmitter and a receiver on the camera. So basically I'm transmitting good audio into the camera, so I'm not using the onboard. Right now what you're listening to is the onboard microphone on the camera. So when I record that way, I get good clean audio. But sometimes if my transmitter, receiver, whatever, isn't charged up, I have to use a different audio source. So today what I'm using is, I have my lapel mic into my phone. So I'm recording directly into my phone, getting nice clean audio. So then what I'll have to do is take this good audio and then sync it with the video so I can replace the audio that's on there. Now you can use any audio source. Sometimes I'll use my Tascam DR5 or the DL10 or anything that you have that you can, any kind of a voice recorder that you can record into to get clean audio. Now for my video editor, I use Shotcut. And I watched a couple videos that people made on the web where they were talking about taking the clean audio and replacing it with the bad audio in Shotcut. And then what they were doing is they were taking it and lining it up and trying to get it perfect and kind of playing with it until it looked like it was just about right. But that's not really how you do it in Shotcut, because Shotcut has a great feature that is an auto sync feature. So I can take this good audio that I have here and replace the bad audio that you're listening to right now, and it'll do it automatically. So let's go in and to Shotcut and let me show you exactly how you do that. Okay, so I'm in Shotcut and I've imported both my files to the playlist. I have my video file and I have the audio file from my phone. Now I'm going to take the video file, drop it onto the timeline, move it to the left. Now if I right click to the left of the video, I'm going to select Add Audio Track, and it'll put an audio track below the video. This is where I'm going to drop my good audio from the phone and then move it to the left. Now you'll notice they look like they're kind of aligned, so let's go ahead and play this and see how much they're out of sync. And yes, the audio is horrible. Okay, so it looks like they're about a half a second out. So what I want to do is I'm going to eventually delete the audio from the video track, but not right now. I need it because this is what Shotcut uses to align the audio tracks together. So if I click on the phone audio track, the good one, and right click and select Align to Reference Track, and this dialog pops up here, 01 audio MP3. This is from the phone. So I'm going to select Process and Apply, and watch what it does here. It'll move this over to the left and align it with the audio in the video track. And now let's play it. Bear with me, I'll explain what's going on. So when I'm in here, so now both audios are playing. So let's go ahead and mute the video track audio and play it. The acoustics in here are horrible, as you can tell. And so so you notice how much more cleaner it is? So let's go ahead and switch back and forth so you can tell the difference. I have to I have with a wireless transmitter and a receiver on the camera. So basically I'm transmitting good audio into the camera, so I'm not using the onboard. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference. So now what I want to do is I want to delete the audio from the video. So if I click on it, right click and select Detach Audio, and it'll take the audio from the video file, drop it all the way to the bottom. Then I can click on it and select Delete from my keyboard, and now it's gone. So now when I play the video, in here, the acoustics in here are horrible, as you can tell. And there I've got nice, good, clean audio. Now all I have to do is export this, and I've got good video and good audio.